Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Amy. Today I wanted to read you a story called Bear Snores On. And when you're listening to the story, I want you to think about the bear and why is he sleeping the whole time? Alright, let's get started. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and illustrated by James Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tip-toe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. He's making a fire, stay warm. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. Hare is another word for a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and hare big, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, then cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, and a crunch. But the bear snores on. He just keeps sleeping. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the big, great den. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Did anyone ever have pepper? If it gets in your nose, what do? I don't know, let's see. The bear goes, chew! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Why do you think they're afraid? Maybe because there's a big bear and he's waking up. Let's see what happens. The bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. He roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear cries on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. You look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." The whole time they were having a party, it made Bear sad. He wanted to have some fun. Let's see what they do next. Bear gulps and he gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But His friends snore on.